What is the Healey 6K service and why do we recommend it? Well, it removes deposits from valves and combustion chambers, dissolves sludge and varnish, cleans stubborn oil deposits, cleans micropassageways in GDI engines, restores engine balance and power, and improves spark plug life. We also include a free car wash with this service. The Healey 6K service includes semi or at some dealerships fully synthetic oil and filter change, lubricating the chassis, checking and filling fluid levels, inspecting the engine air filter, inspecting the brake system, rotating the tires and adjusting pressure, visually inspecting alignment and tires, and inspecting coolant, radiator, hoses, and cap. For our 6K service, we use BG products. They are the leading manufacturer and supplier of automotive fuel and oil conditioners, specialty chemicals, greases, tools, and equipment. We use BG because it is quality. For the 6K service, we use BG EPR, BG Advanced Formula MOA, and BG 44K. When you do the 6K service, you are automatically enrolled in the Lifetime BG Protection Plan. The 6K service Lifetime BG Protection Plan will cover gasoline engines and fuel systems up to $6,000. Certain restrictions apply and a service schedule must be followed to stay eligible. The 6K service starts at only $109. That does not include tax and some makes or models may cost extra. This service is the best value for your buck when it comes to keeping your car moving, so schedule your 6K service today.